seen nothing.
Look at the map.
I don't know how to read it.
Okay, we needed to go straight ahead over here instead of turning. Thinking. We'll take that one. Yeah. Oh wow, poor trees.
Yeah, it used to be so pretty. 204.
Hmm?
Well, these are the 200s here.
These.
Mm-hmm.
203, is that taken? I don't
Yeah.
think that was too close to.
Didn't we just go in a circle?
Yes?
Had a feeling.
Those 200s down
Well, that was the 200s there, so I'm assuming. What's this? That's Hard Post.
there? I like the other ones. 101.
There used to be trees all in that.
Huh?
Wooded areas.
So we ain't gonna have this fish.
Dang, Arby.
One of these 217s. We have to. How about 206? Is that available?
Yeah, I guess.
Huh?
I don't see 206. I think 206 is marked.
What's it right there? That one?
I think so.
Well, we got our car here and. Let's see what it is.
I can't tell which one it is.
You don't even number it, are you? What road is this? Do you know?
Live Oak Circle.
Oh, that's that one. I'm talking about
Oh,
this
this? I don't know. This. I thought this was the Lantana Loop.